Hi, and welcome to your Unit 1 test resources. So the slideshow that you're looking at right now will have your test resources for all of Unit 1. Right now, the only performance expectation that's loaded in is PE1A, and then it will tell you to stop. There are others below, but this is as far as we're going at this point. So the workflow that you have for every performance expectation that we will cover will follow the steps that you see on this page. Now, looking at the page, let's take a look at what there is. We're looking at PE1A. The performance expectation will be at the top. For this one, we are developing models to describe the atomic composition of simple molecules and extended structures. In step one, we always want you to go to your notes first. Do not go Googling everything on a study guide because most of it will come straight from your notes until you get to the more complex questions. The second thing you're always going to do is to go to your Quizlet cards and prepare for a unistructural test. The Quizlet cards are just vocabulary. Learning science is like speaking a different language. So we actually start you off with simple vocabulary matching quizzes just to get going. It's a small quiz worth only about 10 points. Next, we'll move on to content. So we're providing you with what essentially is our online textbook. It's called STEM Scopes, and it will have some pages and resources for you to read and practice the material we'll be learning, in addition to what's covered in class. This is going to be something like a backup for anything you might have missed during class if you are absent or still need further instruction. Going on to step 4, this would be after we've gone through the instruction, we would have some kind of active practice in class, and then here would be some kind of additional work you can try at home to continue practicing the skills that you have learned throughout our lessons at school. Moving on to step 5, we are now heading towards the advanced material. This would be a place where you might see videos or activities that would help prepare you for the extended abstract portion of the test. This will be complicated, it will be difficult, but don't be too daunted by it. It's simply for the last 5% of the test when you get into the extended abstract section. After you have studied your notes, looked at the Quizlet cards, read through the STEM Scopes material, done the active practices, watched the advanced video, then you should go and fill out your study guide. Please do not do this until you have done all the other activities because it will set you up for success. The study guide is going to be available through a link here, but we also always hand out a hard copy in class. However, being absent from class or losing the hard copy does not mean that you are out of luck because you can always find a digital copy of it here. Then we will take the extended abstract test. If and when you bring in the signed study guide on time, you will do awesome and everything will be amazing. Good luck studying, and please let us know if you have any additional questions. Thank you.